What's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about different lips, side skirt lips, front lips. I don't have a rear splitter, so I'm not really experienced on that. So I see two or three main kinds of lips. A lot of times you'll see guys and gals get these eBay ones. Obviously, I had one at one point. It seems like if you're on any of the forums or Facebook groups or anything like that, it seems like people have to replace these things once a freaking season, it seems like, especially if you live in a cold, snowy climate like it can be here. So I had this lip, I don't know, you might have seen it in some of the other videos. I got it shortly after I got the car, and I never had any problems with it, but I didn't run it in the winter. They're kind of a more universal lip and stuff, and the point of this video is to kind of show the differences and to see if it's worth it to you to pay more. I know like the Adro carbon fiber kits, those are in like the 4 figures for all of that kit. It might be $2,000 or something for the whole thing. I could be a little bit off. I didn't want to go with carbon fiber because I don't have any carbon fiber on my car. So anyways, I'll show you why I'm not a huge fan of these. So as you can see, it is super flimsy. Now, that can be a good thing if you hit stuff, but I still think when it's cold out, this thing will shatter. If you hit, a piece of ice or snow or an animal or something like that, which for the price, okay, $80, who cares, right? As you'll see here, I'll flip it over, I don't want to scratch it up. There's all these holes, and it just comes with little self-tapping screws, and they aren't really self-tapping, they're just regular screws because it's a plastic bumper. It just kind of screws to the bumper. So, on the side skirts, I bought the eBay ones, okay? And they looked really good in the pictures. It came, and it was in, I want to say 4 different pieces per side. And it was the same concept. You kind of, put it on your side skirt and screwed it up there. And the thing I notice on a lot of these, if you look on the groups and stuff, they're wavy. You can tell they're multi-piece units. So I just wasn't a fan of that. I wanted something that was going to be strong and looked like a one-piece unit. So I'll show you what I went with. Now, as you see here, I've got their website pulled up. I'm using M&S America. Hopefully that's bright enough to see on here. Now, I will say, this is not, I wasn't paid. They haven't given me any sort of discount or anything like that. I bought all these things at full retail price on my own. I'm just giving a shout out for a good product. So if you pull up their website, go to Aero Parts. They've got a bunch of different options. This is, this stuff's cool, just not me, a little bit too flashy, I guess. But if you come down here, they've got the M&S Veloci or Veloci, I don't know how you say that. Those are the kits that I'm talking about today. So initially, I had ordered this kit. And you'll see there's different prices, like the front lips, $375, which is still kind of steep, but I'm going to get to why I think they're worth the money. So they've got some neat different parts and stuff. I've kind of thought about this rear splitter. I don't know. But I ordered that, and they make these things in Korea. And dang it, I backed all the way out. They make these things in Korea, so the lead times can be a little bit longer than your eBay kits and stuff. I actually ordered that first kit that I had just shown you. And then they said, hey, we've got this other kit right here in stock in, I think it's in Austin, Texas, that they can have out quick. If anybody knows me, I'm impatient, so that's what I went with. So, here's the kit. That's the front lip. It's just clean and simple. And you'll see I've got a little damage on it, and I'll tell you why here in a sec. But this thing is, I'll show you right here. It is not flimsy at all. Like, it is strong. You can see I'm pulling on this, and it's moving the whole bumper. So I really think by the time, if you have the car for a few years, you're buying an $80, $100 lip on eBay, every few months. Why not just spend the money and get something like this? So that's what I did. I did the front splitter, and then I also did the side skirts. Now the side skirts came, they are a one-piece thing. They came shipped in a big long box. And here, I'm gonna get some light and I'll show you how. Sorry, the car's filthy. We got rain and stuff last night. So you can see under here, there's screws. And it just screws up into your plastic side skirt. And there's a bunch of them. And the good thing about spending the extra on these M&S and I'm assuming Adro pieces is they fit right up against your body. They fit the curvature, they fit, like if you look under here, it doesn't mess with your jack point, which I know some of the other ones do. And so like I said, sorry guys, it's filthy. We got a thunderstorm yesterday. So that's the front. And now here's where the quality part really comes into play. So about 2 months ago, I work weird hours. About 2 months ago, I was driving home 3:30 in the morning from work. I'm on I-35 in Kansas City area here, and there's a part of that highway that's really dark. So I'm cruising along. There's like a Ram 2500 or something, big truck next to me. And out of the blue, there's a rolled up, like an area rug, like this dirty one that I have in my garage in the middle of the highway, rolled up. Couldn't go anywhere. I could either side swipe the truck or run over the rug. So obviously, I ran over the rug. It sounded terrible. I heard something dragging under the car afterwards. I thought for sure that my front lip had ripped off, and that's what I was hearing dragging along. Nope. The front lip actually saved the bumper. So, you can see, like I mentioned a second ago, let me move this light. Sorry guys, I'm doing this inside today. It's real windy out. So you can see it scratched the bumper, which I'm going to polish that out. I just haven't gotten around to it. Scuffed up the lip. But the impressive thing is the lip actually held up better than the car. I was shocked when I got out to see the lip was all in one piece, and it was all that stuff. So that under tray thing got ripped up. It's zip tied back together. I just haven't ordered one yet. I'm going to order it and replace it myself. There's no damage to the car other than that under tray. You can see how many screws that this lip goes into the bumper with, and they're nice, sturdy. I want to say they're stainless steel screws. So yeah, like I said, I really think that's what saved the bumper. You can kind of see right here, there's a little surface crack. And that's the only damage. This light's making this look way worse than it is. You can't even really tell. I mean, you can tell it's a little scuffed up, but you can tell, I mean, like I said, this is the only damage I had to the lip, and it literally saved the bumper. So you get what you pay for. It looks great. It's a quality product. You know, if you want to go the eBay route and keep replacing them, great. They've got some cool looking designs, but I just like how these ones fit the car. They're super durable. They look nice. Everything matches the curves of the car. Bolts right up. I mean, all three parts, the front lip and the side skirts, I probably installed in 30 minutes. Pulled it up on my ramps that I use for oil changes. Neighbor came over and he helped me hold everything up. Zipped it all up with, I used my drill. Just quick, easy install. So those are the differences. Hopefully you guys like this video. You know, I did a lot of talking. There's what the car's looking like. I know that's what people are here to see. So yeah, you can see how good the lip and the side skirts look. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should go ahead and get the rear splitter. I like the car how it looks now, but obviously you can always make things better. We'll address these probably in the next video. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Please keep commenting, liking, subscribing. All this K5 content's just done really well on my channel, and I like making it. You know, there's not a whole lot of people out there making K5 videos. So if any of you manufacturers for coilovers or anything are listening, there's a huge aftermarket for these cars. Yes, there's less of these cars out there than your, you know, Camrys and Accords and stuff, but people are passionate about these things. There's so many neat modifications and things that you see on these pages and these groups. There's just not a whole lot of aftermarket support for these cars out there. Between exhausts, intakes, suspension parts, they're just few and far between. So you manufacturers are watching this, keep that in mind. These cars have a pretty big following. Hope you guys like this video. Again, I'm going to try to stick with uploading every Wednesday. So we'll catch you guys next week. Have a great week.